Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop Google from learning more about you. How to stop Google to show you personalized ads. Simply launch Google Chrome browser and here from the top right corner click on three vertical dot and choose settings. Click on settings and here from the left side click on three horizontal line and choose privacy and security. Privacy guide and again a guide to your privacy choices. Click on next and proceed data and privacy personalized ad section. Click on next. Here web and app activity, click on it. Here you will find personalized ads and you can see personalized ads. To disable Google's personalized ads, click on My Ad Center. Then open the personalized ads drop down menu in the top right corner and choose turn off. This deleted all your ad center preferences and prevented Google activity from being used to personalize the ads you see. Simply click on got it. Personalized ads are off.